Selanjutnya saya akan membahas mengenai main clause dari paragraf 1 dan 2. Kita mulai dari paragraf pertama. Main clause dari paragraf pertama terdapat pada kalimat 1 yang bunyinya a mechanism is a machine composed of rigid members that are joined together. Mengapa kalimat ini menjadi kalimat pertama? Karena kalimat ini menjelaskan pengertian secara umum dan juga kita dapat melihat ada pengulangan kata di kalimat-kalimat selanjutnya. Selanjutnya paragraf kedua. Main clause dari paragraf kedua terdapat pada kalimat pertama, yaitu mechanism may be simple or complex. Alasannya juga karena kalimat ini menjelaskan sebuah pernyataan secara umum dan juga kalimat selanjutnya merupakan penjabaran dari kalimat tersebut. Next. Nah, sekarang paragraf ketiga. Paragraf ketiga ini, kalimat utamanya terletak pada kalimat pertama. Mengapa kalimat pertama menjadi kalimat utama? Karena sama seperti alasannya sebelumnya, kalimat ini menjelaskan secara umum dan juga kalimat selanjutnya itu merupakan penjelasan atau penjabaran yang lebih rinci dari kalimat pertama. Next. Untuk paragraf keempat, kalimat utamanya itu terletak di akhir paragraf. Mengapa demikian? Karena kalimat pertama hingga sebelum kalimat akhir di paragraf 4 merupakan penjelasan dari kalimat terakhir yang bunyinya one of our motivation is producing this book. Producing this book even when a number of excellent texts are already available in mechanism kinematics is to provide a treatment that reflect this change in practice. Nah, seperti itu. Selanjutnya, paragraf kelima. Pada paragraf kelima, kalimat utamanya terletak pada kalimat pertama, yang bunyinya, kinematics is the study of position and its time derivatives. Especially, we are concerned. Oh, maaf, itu sepertinya terlalu panjang garisnya. Kalimatnya selesai pada kata derivatives. Nah, mengapa demikian? Karena kalimat ini menjelaskan bahwa studi kinematik itu mempelajari mengenai posisi dan time derivatives. Sehingga kalimat tersebut merupakan kalimat utama dan juga kalimat-kalimat selanjutnya merupakan penjelasan dari kalimat pertama tersebut.
Untuk paragraf 1 sampai 2, saya menemukan dua kata teknis yang saya tandai dengan warna merah, mekanisme dan machine. Mekanisme chain in which one element or link is fixed so that motion can be transmitted or transformed. And for machine, a mechanism that transmits power in the performance of a useful task. More than one machine in one place, either connected or performing separate function, is termed machine. Selanjutnya untuk paragraf 3, sophisticated as the synonym of advanced, that means canggih. Lalu civil engineering is a professional engineering discipline that deals with the design, construction, and maintenance of the physical and naturally built environment. And the third, military engineering, we can call that combat engineer or ZENI, is defined as the art, science, and practice of design, building military works, and maintaining lines of military transport and military communication. In the 20th and 20th century, military engineering also include other engineering disciplines such as mechanical and electrical engineering techniques. And last, mechanical engineering is the branch of engineering concerned with energy conversion, stress analysis, vibration, dynamics, and kinematics, especially applied to design, machine design, or mechanical engineering design. And the paragraph 4, I found technical words. That means statics. That means lacking in movement, action, or change, especially in undesirable or uninteresting way. The second, actuators is a component of a machine that is responsible for moving and controlling a mechanism or system. For example, by opening a valve. And the third, kinematics is the aspect of dynamics concerned with the displacement, velocities, or velocity analysis and acceleration of mechanism or system without regard to the force required for the motion. Direction. The meaning is velocities. Velocities is the speed of something in a given direction. Second, acceleration. The rate of change of linear velocity with respect to time. It is a vector quantity. Third, angular velocities is the rate of change with respect to time of angular displacement. And the last is angular acceleration. Is a vector quantity equal to the rate of change of angular velocity of a rotating body with respect.
Paragraf 6. Di paragraf 6 ini main clause-nya ada di kalimat pertama yang menjelaskan tentang pelajaran kinematika adalah studi tentang geometri gerak. Nah, yang selanjutnya, kalimat-kalimat selanjutnya itu menjelaskan penjelas dari kalimat pertama. Yang paragraf 7 juga sama, yaitu main clause-nya ada di kalimat pertama, yaitu tentang materi yang ada di dalam buku. Di dalam buku yang terbagi dalam 2 klasifikasi. Terus kalimat berikutnya menjelaskan tentang teknik, yaitu menentukan posisi, kecepatan, dan percepatan titik. Next. Paragraf 8. Nah, di paragraf 8 ini main clause-nya tetap sama, yaitu pada kalimat pertama, di mana kalimat pertama ini menjelaskan tentang kegiatan yang membedakan teknik dari sains adalah desain. Nah, terus kalimat selanjutnya yaitu berisi tentang penjelasan bagaimana perbedaan sains dan teknik itu sendiri. Next. Next paragraf ini. Di paragraf 9 ini ditemukan bahwa main clause-nya terdapat di kalimat pertama, yaitu menjelaskan tentang sudut pandang teknik yang tidak mungkin memperlakukan desain mekanisme hanya dalam hal kinematika. Terus kalimat selanjutnya itu menjelaskan tentang motivasi dan alasan-alasannya. Nah, paragraf ke-10 ini kenapa kalimat pertama ini disebut main clause? Karena ini menjelaskan tentang mekanisme secara umum, yaitu mekanisme adalah kumpulan anggota kaku yang dihubungkan bersama oleh sambungan. Nah, terus kalimat berikutnya menjelaskan tentang kalimat pertama ini. Next. Kalimat 11 ini juga berisi tentang penjelasan secara umum, yaitu sendi adalah aspek terpenting dari mekanisme untuk diperiksa selama analisis. Dan kalimat selanjutnya berisi penjelasan-penjelasannya. Next. Dan paragraf terakhir yaitu paragraf 12 yang main clause-nya adalah kalimat pertama di mana menjelaskan tentang sambungan pasangan bawah harus dibatasi pada sejumlah kecil jenis geometris karena persyaratan bahwa kontak permukaan dipertahankan membatasi geometri permukaan kontak. Dan kalimat selanjutnya menjelaskan tentang kalimat pertamanya.
Kinematics is the aspect of dynamics concerned with the displacements, velocities, or velocities analysis and acceleration of mechanism or system without regard to the force required for the motion. Then geometry, a branch of mathematics that studies the size, shapes, positions, angles, and dimensions of things. Element, a substance that cannot be broken down into any other substance. Every element is made up of its own type of atom. This is why the chemical elements are all very different from each other. Then mechanism, a system of parts working together in a machine. Lalu lanjut pada technical word paragraf 7. Velocities. Velocities is the speed of something in a given direction. Acceleration, the rate of change of linear velocity with the respect to time. It is a vector quantity. Then mechanism, a system of parts working together in a machine. Angular position, represent the orientation of a line with another line or plane. Then synthesis. Synthesis is the production of chemical compounds by reaction from simpler materials. Lalu technical word pada paragraf 8. Synthesis. Synthesis is the production of chemical compounds by reaction from simpler materials. Then mechanism. Mechanism is a system of parts working together in a machine. Lalu lanjut pada technical word paragraf ke-9. Kinematics. Kinematics is the aspect of dynamics concerned with the displacement, velocities, velocity with analysis, and acceleration of a mechanism or system without regard to the forces required for the motion. Inertial force, a force opposite in direction to an accelerating force acting on a body and equal to the product of the accelerating force and the mass of the body. Stress, a physical quantity that expresses the internal forces that, like bearing particles of a continuous material exert on each other, while strain is the measure of the deformation of the material. Symmetry. Symmetry is a shape of symmetry if a central dividing line, a mirror line, can be drawn on it to show that both sides of the shape are exactly the same. Then geometry. Geometry is a branch of mathematics that studies the size, shapes, position, and angles and dimension of things. Lanjut pada technical word paragraf 10. Mechanism. Mechanism is a system of parts working together in a machine. Kinematics. Kinematics is the aspect of dynamics concerned with the displacement, velocity analysis, and acceleration of a mechanism or system without regard to the forces required for the motion. Then codification. Codification is the process of bringing together a legal act or several related acts and all its amendments into a single new act. Then stress. Stress is a physical quantity that expresses the internal forces that neighboring particles of a continuous material exerts on each other, while strain is the measure of the deformation of the material.
Selanjutnya, technical words paragraf 11. Di paragraf 11, saya menemukan 3 technical words. Itu yang pertama, mechanism. Mechanism is a system of parts working together in a machine. Selanjutnya, motion. Motion is the act or process of moving or a particular action or movement. Dan yang ketiga, direction. Direction is the position towards which someone or something moves or faces. Thanks. Selanjutnya technical words pada paragraf 12. Pada paragraf 12 saya hanya menemukan 2 technical words saja. Yang pertama, geometry. Geometry is a geometric pattern or arrangement is made up of shapes such as squares, triangles, or rectangle. Dan yang kedua yaitu motion. Motion is the act or process of moving or a particular action or movement.
Nah, yang pertama historical perspective. Historical perspective ini memiliki summary mechanism are machines composed or rigid members that are jointed together. The joint are formed by portion the surface of the member joint that contact one another. Design of mechanism is a technical area that is unique to mechanical engineering. Modern era in mechanism design can be viewed as starting with James Watt. Yang kedua, kinematics. Kinematics ini memiliki summary. Kinematics is the study of the geometry of motion with the element of the time added. Our objective is to present techniques that can be used to design mechanism to meet specific motion requirement. We are concerned with the position, velocities, and acceleration of point and angular position of solid bodies. Yang ketiga ada design analysis and synthesis. Design analysis and synthesis ini memiliki summary. The material in this book fall into 2 classification. The first consists of a technique to determine the position, velocities, and acceleration of member of mechanism. These are kinematic analysis techniques. The second comprise method for mathematically determining the geometry of a mechanism. From an engineering point of view, it is not possible to treat mechanism design solely in terms of kinematics. Mechanism must usually drive loads as well as generate motion. There is a symmetry between the geometry of the force distribution and that of the velocity distribution. Yang keempat, mechanism. Mechanism memiliki summary. Mechanism are assemblage of rigid members connected together by joints. A kinematic joint is formed by direct contact between the surface of 2 brothers. Mechanism transfer motion and mechanical work from one or more actuators to another output members. Joints are the most important aspect of a mechanism to examine during an analysis.